Good morning, Boston Ripping Rollers here. A rainy Friday morning. Going to check the birds out. See how everybody's doing. I gotta take 2 pairs from over there and bring them to the coop. They're over there in those cages. Okay, good morning, birds. Everybody's looking good. Everybody's looking good here. Everybody's looking good. Oh, the youngsters are flying up and down now. They're back at the nest. Throw them some pellets. Yeah, the black and white tiger family there is the hen. She's staying out of the nest box now since I put the milk crate up there. I gotta go get the other birds.